How to remove the reposted videos on your TikTok. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your reposted videos on your TikTok. So simply head over to your TikTok and make sure you're logged in with your account, and once you find any of the videos which you reposted and you want to remove it, simply click on this same reposted icon like this, and you can either remove it from over here by clicking on this reposted button and simply clicking on remove. As you can see, it has been removed from my reposted section. What you can also do is simply repost the video, and by heading over into your profile section you will see this turnover icon, U-turn icon like this, and from over here you can simply select on the video and again do the same process by simply long pressing on the videos and clicking on the remove repost, and it will be removed from your profile section. So that is exactly how you can easily remove your reposted videos on your TikTok. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.